This is a Japanese toilet and bidet controller. You can tell it's in Japan because they've left spare rolls of toilet paper out and no one steals them. And also from the writing, which is poorly translated as rear, which is to clean your rear end, front, which is to clean ladies' private parts, and usually only available in women's toilets is the privacy button with a symbol for music. But when you press it, it's not music, but it is a sound. Here, let's go. Okay. It's a sound mimicking toilet cistern filling, and it's there to enable Japanese women, because it's not normally available in the men's, to press the button and have this loud noise come out of the sort of electrically generated noise come out of this remote controller, and therefore cover the noise of their urination. Because in Japan, it is Japanese women especially who are embarrassed to be heard on the toilet. So they're not, they hide it. Another way is to flush first, but of course that wastes water.